Hey guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are checking out Adobe Rush, which is an extremely easy to use video editor that's basically just Premiere Pro, but much easier to use. If you enjoy this video, smash like and smash subscribe. First, click Create New Project. If you have a tutorial page, simply click Skip Tour and then press the home button at the top left of the screen. Once you're at the home page, click Create a New Project. Now you need to title your project. Now click out of it. Now that you've done that, click on whatever clips you want. If you would like to select multiple, then you can click on them and they will go in. If you would like to remove them, however, go back to where it was and click again, and it will go away. Now click Create. Let's say you forgot to put in a clip. This is how you do it. Simply click the plus right here, and then click Media. Then you can search through your computer. If you would like to move to another folder than the one it gives you, go up here, click the arrow, and then Media Browser. Now that you have your clips,
Hi, Phil Swift here for Flex Tape.
now you can actually start editing. What I would like to do is take the Flex Tape commercial and completely ruin it. To cut a clip, which is something that you will definitely need to do, click this button or click S on your keyboard. If you would like to duplicate anything, click Duplicate. If you would like to delete anything, click the Delete key.
Later that same evening.
First, text. When you open text, it will say Your Styles and More Titles. Select Your Styles and do whatever you want with this. It's really nice, actually. Simply to edit the text, double click and type whatever you want. Now to modify any text, triple click. Make sure you are in Edit. You can change the font and everything that you want, however, I'm not going to. To move it around, click Out, and now you can shrink it using those buttons and move it around. They did a very good job with titles, and I wish this was in other editors. To shorten it, simply drag it.
Tape. That can instantly repair.
Now, to add effects, click there. These include transitions and such. You can apply this to anything, including text, pretty much anything. To apply it to anything, simply drag it and hover over it. Now, this will
Here
fade
for
out.
Flex Tape.
Unfortunately, I do not have enough time today to cover these two effects. However, you should be able to figure them out on your own. Next, color enhancements. Every video editor has these. It makes the video appear more vibrant and more how you like. They have presets, however, I suggest making your own. You can modify the exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, temperature, which means that you can make it a party, tint, vibrance, and saturation. They have advanced options too, if you would like to use those. Unfortunately, Phil Swift has already done this for me, so I do not have to. Next up, speed. Go through your edits and look at where you would like it to be sped up. Now, for audio customizations. If you would like to customize the audio in your project, click on a video or audio itself. If you would like to change the volume of something, drag up or drag down. Keep in mind the default is 50, not 100. You don't want it to break someone's speakers. Mute takes the audio out altogether. Advanced allows you to optimize your audio to match a specific type of thing. Channels allows you to modify what side of a headset would be hearing it. Unfortunately, this clip does not support that, so it only shows up with one channel. If you would like to take out a channel, simply click Unfortunately, I cannot do that. You have to click on the number. Cropping. Cropping is easy but hard in Premiere Pro, because you can't drag it around yourself, but you can modify a lot of it. This is not something I'm able to cover in the amount of time I have today. It's something for you to figure out on your own, and trust me, it's not that hard. Now that you have finished your project, it's time to finish it up. Simply click Share. Boom. I suggest exporting it local or directly to what platform you want to put it out to. You can export directly to YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. You just need to sign into your account. To save locally, all you have to do to modify where it is saved to is click there and click where you would like it to be saved to. Additionally, when you are finished, if you would like to do more advanced edits, simply open up Premiere Pro, and on the home screen, click Open Premiere Rush Project. Now you can click on your Premiere Rush project. I recommend starting your edits on Premiere Rush and then importing it into Premiere Pro. If you enjoyed this video, smash like and smash subscribe.